The scientific method is an empirical method of acquiring knowledge that has characterized the development of science since at least the 17th century, with notable practitioners in previous centuries. It involves careful observation, applying rigorous skepticism about what is observed, given that cognitive assumptions can distort how one interprets the observation. It involves formulating hypotheses via induction based on such observations, experimental and measurement based testing of deductions drawn from the hypothesis, and refinement or elimination of the hypothesis based on the experimental findings. These are principles of the scientific method is distinguished from a definitive series of steps applicable to all scientific enterprises. Although procedures vary from one field of inquiry to another, the underlying process is frequently the same from one field to another. The process in the scientific method involves making conjectures, hypothetical explanations, deriving predictions from the hypothesis as logical consequences, and then carrying out experiments or empirical observations based on those predictions. A hypothesis is a conjecture based on knowledge obtained while seeking answers to the question. The hypothesis might be very specific or it might be broad. Scientists then test hypotheses by conducting experiments or studies. A scientific hypothesis must be falsifiable, implying that it is possible to identify a possible outcome of an experiment or observation that conflicts with predictions deduced from the hypothesis.